My camera wasn't even. There we go. There you go. Hello, boy. I just noticed I wasn't videotaping. Why does it look dark in here all of a sudden? It's all nice and bright. And it looks all dark. Sorry, I had to redo it again because I thought the video camera was on. I know I pushed video camera on. So weird. The baby next that I'm going to do, like literally turned off my phone. It just left out of my camera. And my battery's pretty still halfway full, so it didn't die. But anyways, look at this boy. He's in a store, I believe. Looks like he has something. Maybe like a popcorn bag or something. Let me see. I love his outfit though. What is that noise? I'm hearing banging. There's nothing in here. Bang. Nothing's above us. This one's really talking right now. Dun 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 dun. Hi, little one. Say hi. Isn't he cute, guys? He's just so, I just wish I could just hold him. He's so cute. He's a cute little boy. Looks like a old-fashioned dress store, maybe, because in the background, in the picture, looks like a dress, a silhouette of a dress. I don't know what that picture says, though. But, yeah. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This one's a baby. Are we ready? Last time she turned it off. So if it gets turned off again, it was her. Another baby. Yes. I have the picture right next to it. So, see? Ta-da. And I was still going. I was trying to wait to move it. Okay. Hello, baby. You're not gonna make my camera go off, are you? Or make it blurry? Isn't she a cute little baby though, guys? She's a cutie patootie. I like babies. Oh, I just love them. I just want to hold them. Give them a lot of love. I just want to hold that baby and cuddle that baby. So cute. That baby must have been really happy laughing, because I bet back in the day they didn't much do to make a baby laugh. At least she's not making my camera go blurry. Last time she made my camera started going blurry, and then it turned off. So maybe she's liking it now. Camera's Q2 meter's going crazy. My foot fell asleep, guys. Let's move on to the next. Oh god. Oh, I gotta stretch my foot. Hang on. Moving stuff. Sorry. The next one. Oh shoot. It's a girl. Looks like she's doing a... Look at a closer look. Like she's crocheting. Crocheting. I have another picture of the same girl too. So, same picture of the same girl. This one's not very talkative. As much as the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe she just Oh, she's talking now after I said something. Okay, let's bring in another picture of her. That's another picture of her. That's a picture of her looks like fishing. She has a fishy, and I don't know what. Is she holding a doll? I don't know. What is that on top of it? Look like a shoe. No, she's not holding a doll. Some kind of shoe. Some kind of shoe. Okay, let's move on. Yeah, it's a shoe. The next one is this little girl. Standing up on a chair. Looks like she's crying. Oh, little girl crying. The little girl's crying. And I'm not sure. There's another picture of her or what. Let me see. Don't think so. The other girls don't look like her. Nope. Nope, they don't. She's not very talkative or have a lot of energies on this one. Might have to stop it and then move on to the next video. This is already almost getting 7 minutes long. I don't like to make too long of a video. So I'm going to stop it and we'll move on.